Welcome back. It's your girl Fabulous TT, and I'm bringing y'all the video y'all been waiting for. I told y'all I was waiting on my purse to get here, and she is here. And I dress for work. That's why I got this here, because I'm not trying to show my job logo or whatever, but this is how I dress when I go to work, like real cute. But anyway, we gonna get into this purse, honey. Like, this is what y'all been waiting for. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the TT Squad. So, this is the receipt. It's from Sanrio, because I'm a Sanrio girl. And I like all girly pink products. So, as y'all can see, they put a nice packaging. The purse is not too big, which I'm very, very happy for. So let's go ahead and open her up. How you guys doing today? I'm not used to working during the middle of the day, but it's all good. It's all good. We just gonna keep it going. So here she is. Very, very nice detail. Very good quality. Like, this is the back. They got the tag. So yeah, let's go ahead and rip these little plastic things off. I really appreciate that. I did get this purse for $62 off Sanrio website. I don't know if they sold out yet or not, but as soon as they put it up there, I ordered the thing, okay? We went ahead and ordered her. They got her shipped. So I had ordered her on the 30th of January. I got her today. It's February 10th. So I think it was good timing. Really good timing. So let's go ahead and open her up. So as you can see, this is how it looks on the inside. Let's go ahead and take the strap out. Well, this is the strap. It's connected to the purse. Take the trash out. So this is how she looks inside. Got that in there. So it's like a small, medium bag, which I love, because I did not want her to be too big or nothing. I like how they put that on the strap. So, the strap is so cute. Let's go ahead and put the strap on. Sorry, guys. I'm rushing today. I just want to bring this video to y'all, because I said I was going to bring it. But it has, like, they put a lot of paper in this thing. They got 1, 2, and 3 compartments in this purse. It is a zip-up purse, as you can see, as well. It zips up. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and do what's in my purse edition video next. So, stay tuned. It is Fabulous TT, and I'm out.